Hi, and welcome to the Billionaire Journey podcast. Today, I want to share with you a secret that has helped me to move from someone that, you know, could not afford to live in a single bedroom to someone who eventually was able to um, make a lot of money, sponsored his wedding, and eventually relocate abroad. And that secret is simply using WhatsApp to sell digital products. So it's using WhatsApp to make money, right? So it actually doesn't matter what kind of product or business you're into. If you can use the simple secret I want to share with you today, you are going to make a whole lot of money now. And I'm talking about a whole lot of money, right? And with these, you'll be able to even impart the lives of people that you really, really cherish, right? So I was able to impart a lot of lives with WhatsApp, and some of the people that went through this strategy that I want to share with you, they were able to buy cars, travel from one country to the other for holidays or vacation, and so on and so forth. So I want to share with you how to make money with WhatsApp. And it's very simple. Now, I don't want you to get it twisted because the simplest things in this life are the things that hold people back in life from success. Now, a lot of people like, is this even possible? How will you say I can make money with WhatsApp? But I want to tell you, after listening to this episode, if you can take massive action on what you're going to learn today, I guarantee that even by next week, you can start making money from WhatsApp. So let me share with you how it works. So the first thing is for you to find a hot niche, a hot product, in demand product that people are really looking and hungry to get. For instance, one of these in demand product could be in the niche of money and business, right? So many people want to learn how they can make money with their make money, more money with their business, or how to save money with their business, right? Or so many people, for instance, want to know how they can transition from unemployment to becoming employed, especially maybe in the tech sector or whatever it is, right? And you have a secret that can help people to achieve this. Now, another niche is in the health niche. So let's say that you have a training that can help someone to treat let's say what is it called, this jaundice, or this um, a lot of things, hepatitis or diabetes, right? Let's take diabetes for example. And you have the secret. All you need, even if you're not the owner of this particular product, because there are two ways to do this: either you create it yourself or you get it somewhere, right? So all you need to do is to find this hot product, especially if this product is already selling, then you are now in the good hands, right? Or similar product is selling. All you need to do is to create a campaign around it and position it or reframe it to suit your audience. So the first thing is to find a particular product that can help people's life, that can transform people's life, and that you believe, not just believe, that you research to show that this product works really, really well. So after you've gotten this product, the next thing you need to do is to now create a system that can deliver this product to people. So for example, now, even if you're not having a third party app, for example, there's an app that you can use to schedule or automate your WhatsApp. When somebody sends you a message, that system automatically sends them a message. Or when somebody sends you a particular keyword, that system sends the message to them, right? So set up that system, then set up a place whereby somebody can download the book or can download maybe the video, whatever it is. Just make sure that you have those things prepared. And then after that, then you sell that product. And how you sell this product is very simple. You run Facebook ads, you run Twitter ads, depending on whatever you want to run. But the simplest to start with would be Facebook ads, and the millions of people and billions of people on Facebook that you can tap from and sell this product to them. So this is a 3-step framework that you can use to make massive money on WhatsApp. Now, I know you might be asking, oh, how am I going to find the best product? How am I going to find the best product? How am I going to know how to set up my WhatsApp? How am I going to run Facebook ads? All of those things are the things that I am going to teach in a masterclass I'll be holding very soon. So if you're interested in that masterclass, right? If you're interested in that masterclass, all you need to do is send an email to podcast@thebillionairejourney.com. podcast@thebillionairejourney.com, and we'll tell you the requirement of this masterclass. So, like when you're sending, make sure that you send us your name and why you want to and why you want to attend this masterclass, and we're going to show you this system live and how you can achieve success with it. This is something that has helped a lot of people that have read my book, The WhatsApp Sales Blueprint, and I've helped them to make millions, thousands, travel abroad, and so on and so forth with that. So thank you so much for listening to today's episode, and I hope that you got something. If you were able to go and start and start taking action on what I just told you, you're going to make a lot of money, and you can go and impact even more people's lives. And I hope that you learned something, and I thank you for listening to this episode. See you some other time. Bye.